Ever seen a website that looks like, let's just say it looks like someone forgot to dress it up? That's exactly what happens without CSS. HTML is like the skeleton of a website, but CSS is the fashion designer. So today, I'm going to show you how to style your website using some basic CSS properties with real-life examples. So simple, trust me, you'll never forget them. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to style and design your HTML elements. Think of it like this. HTML equals your body structure, CSS equals your clothes, haircut, and drip. Yeah, I know you are already falling. Okay, so let's dive straight in. Oh sorry, hold on. We need to create our foundation. But don't worry, I will be as fast as possible. So now we are going to create a new folder and open on VS Code. Next we create a new file and generate our HTML template. Give it a title. Add a link to connect our CSS to our HTML. Go to the body element and put a div to contain our h1 element. So we save the changes and upload to live server. So this is in our browser. Next we add an h2 element. Now inside the nav element, we put 3 li elements. This is how it should look in your browser. Add an image element, create a new folder. Paste an image inside it. Now insert the image in the source and add an alternative text for description. That is the image in our web browser. Next, create a div to contain the buttons that are going to be in our website. Each button should have an h3 element. Okay, so now we are going to apply some CSS to this. Let's get into it. Width controls how wide an element is. Real life example. If your phone screen was 100% width, imagine squeezing it to 50%. Everything becomes smaller and annoying to the eyes. Let's use the width property to reduce our image size. So we type img and set our width to 600 pixels. So now, we have shrinked our image to a portable size. Font family changes the type of text style. Example, Arial looks simple. Times New Roman is like I wrote a formal letter to your father. Before we give it a font family, let's give the div a class. So now we can reference our class by calling its name. So we type .d, which is the class name, and select the font family. This is how the font looks on my browser. Font size controls how big or small text is. Example, small font is like whispering to your friend. And big font is shouting hey. Calling for attention, so we go back to class D and select a font size. So we select XX large. Text align controls how text is positioned. Left, center, right. Example, center text is like balanced life, where there are good times and bad times. Left text is like normal student going through stress. Right text is like doing things differently. Just enjoying yourself without problems. Still on class D, we set our text align to center. Background color. Sets the background color of an element. Example? Backgrounds with good colors will always be beautiful. But background without colors will just look ordinary. We are going to apply background color to class D. So we are going to give this H2 element a class so that we can write some CSS properties. Margin. Margin is the space outside an element. Example, imagine two people standing too close. Awkward, right? Margin gives them space so they don't look suspicious. Still under class R, we set our margin to left. Let's give it 20 pixels. Line height. Controls space between lines of text. Example, to tight equals hard to read. Good spacing equals clean and easy. Still on class R, we set our line height to 0 pixels. The letters are looking too close to each other. That brings us to line spacing. Thanks for watching part 1 of this video till the end. If you really want to see the outcome of our small website, comment part 2, or go to my channel to get part 2.